Hey, good morning, everybody. Good morning. Box Road Trucking back with another one. All right, today we are heading to the Chicago, Illinois terminal, which is really Romeoville, Illinois, but it's still Chicago, the suburb. So we just came from Dallas, from the Dallas, Texas terminal, and right to the Chicago terminal. And we're coming in now to it. It's right here on Wyndham Parkway. It's 850 Wyndham Parkway. So we're just coming in, and let's see where we're at with it. Alright. Okay, you can see right there we're at 1205. I don't know if the numbers are going up or down. Should be going down, I believe. 1201, yeah. So it's going to be on the left side over here. Yeah, it should be down here on the left hand side. Okay, I remember the Prologis building right here. Okay, 1120, 1140 Wyndham. So let's see here. 1070. It's going down. Yeah, I think I kind of remember this here. Yeah, keep going. Cause I remember the highway was right here. There's a turn. Yeah. Okay. Should be right down here to the left somewhere. Should be right. Let's see. Like the tricky part right here. Okay, that should be right. As soon as you go down, it should be a guard shot. Okay, that's not it. Nope, that's not it. Frontage Road, I remember that. And this is not it. Nope. We gotta go around. Yeah, keep going around. I don't think that was it. Yeah, just the tricky part right here. Alright, 900.
There it is, roll up.
Okay, there it is. Okay, not too tricky. Boy, that tricky. I remember it being tricky before, but oh, that was pretty easy. Just keep following it around. You see the Roadrunner building? There's the Roadrunner building right there. Yeah, see that 850 Wyndham? And see the Roadrunner building? Okay. No, I know you don't go in here. I think it's right here. You'll see a bar shot. Okay, we're here. The bar shot. Alright, y'all, so we're going to show you the process of checking in here. See, they're all basically set up the same. You come in there, there's a guard shot, you stop. They're basically the same. I think you just pull up with him. Yeah, sir. Yeah, he don't do it like that in Commerce. No driver, so then you got to get the paperwork. That's the guard shot right there. So you just come in, give him your paperwork. I thought he was going to ask for the license. He didn't ask for the license, so normally they ask for the license. And I believe I got to go inside. The office is right here on the other side. Oh, I know I'm going. Just go around here and come back down over here because we have park right down here. Go down here. Go down here. All right, y'all. So you see, you can park right there, and you walking over here. The office is right up over here. All right.
How you doing, buddy?
Good. All right. So it should be right here. I believe. Right. Gotta go up this way. If I remember correctly. I think it's this way. Yep. All the shelves. I remember the shelves. Okay. Bathroom. I believe the office right here to the left. Yep. It's a little line. A small line. Nothing too serious. Alright.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Lisa.
Good morning.
Good morning.
You just dropping off?
Yeah, and we're supposed to be getting another one later on this evening, I believe.
Okay.
Yep.
Another inbound city and
Ayer no jaló, ¿qué? Los días que iba para allá. ¿Por qué? Que si me dieron dos para allá no estar chino pues. Pues es que me dieron 4 o 5. Pero no estaba, la carga no estaba aquí. Todo bien.
They want it in door 125, sir.
125?
Yep.
All right, just keep the seal on with the doors closed, right?
So you can open it.
You got me because it has the metal seal. I have no cutters.
You want me to have a spotter meet you over there?
Yes.
Okay. 125. All right, thank you. Okay. So, the vending machine. Okay, so we do got to put it in the dock. Normally don't do that. Normally don't do that, but I guess today we got to do it. So door 125. All right, y'all. Now, when you come out of orientation, which is usually on a Thursday, which today is Thursday, so they should be coming out of orientation very, very soon. And this is what they have waiting on them. You see the green Freightliner and the, I guess that's blue, the blue Freightliner. If you're a team and you get out of orientation, this is what's going to happen. They're going to have the truck here waiting for you, ready to rock and roll. Y'all see that right there? They are 2020 Freightliners. 2020 Freightliners. We're ready to go with the new teams that's coming out of orientation. All right, y'all, so here's our door right here, 125. I've got to move this truck right here. Getting away a little bit. Okay. I could have swore I seen somebody's head. Okay, maybe that wasn't somebody's head. So now my wife done beat the horn. I think he's coming. Go ask him. Let me go ask this jockey here. So I can get some cutters from this jockey. Oh, he's going all the way through. He's going all the way through. He done went all the way through. He done went all the way through. I thought he was going to back up.
Yeah, no.
He done went all the way through. With the teams coming out of orientation, this is what you're going to get. Nice tread on the tires. You got the little, it's like an ATU in the back where you can turn the truck off and let it run for heat and air conditioning. So they are like ready to rock and roll. They're ready to go, y'all. So expect orientation for, I believe it's 3 days. I believe it's 3 days you have orientation. And on the third day, which is normally a Thursday, when you come out, then you'll get a ride over here and get in your truck, dispatch yourself a load, and go and make that money. All we need is some car. There we go. Catch him before you leave. Could be him? Is it him? 125. 125.
I waited for you for 144.
Oh, 144? No.
What you say? Hey, 144. I was waiting for you over there.
Oh, okay.
Don't you up? Then I bring the trail on there.
Yeah, seen you. Yeah. All right. All right. All right. So he went to 144. He went to door at 144, but it's really 125. But nonetheless, we cut it. We good to go. Okay. Yeah.